Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can color grade your videos using the color wheel feature on CapCut PC. This is a pro feature. I'm just going to tell you that right now. So you're going to simply select the adjustments tab here, and there's like a new one. There's basic, HSL, curves, and this color wheel one, which is new. Here you can adjust the shadows. For instance, you want the shadows to be a little bit more on the pink purple side, you're just going to move it there. If you want it more yellow, you can, and like green, you can like put it there. You can also adjust it here, but I like to just drag it around here. You can also adjust the saturation and the brightness of the shadows. I'm going to like make it more of an orange, and here I can adjust the saturation. This one's more vibrant, this one's less vibrant. And also the brightness of it, which, oh my gosh, that looks way better, kind of. I don't know. There's this middle one. I'm not quite sure exactly. It's for like the middle tone, I think. But I'm just going to add, I don't know, like, I like the orange quite a bit, so I'm just going to, leave it like that and adjust the saturation a little bit. Actually, I like this bit better. You can also adjust the tint of it as well. I like to add this like golden hour effect, so I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to adjust the brightness a little bit. And there's also this one. I'm just going to slide it to the right a little bit just to give it that neutral effect, and you can just play around with it. You have also the log one. I'm not quite exactly sure. Again, you can also adjust the strength of the colors here. And you can also like play around with the log here. Oh, it's like for the backgrounds, I think. And if you want to like delete it, just press the redo, but it's going to redo everything. If you want to just redo one thing, like you want to redo the shadows, just select redo on the shadows part. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!